Hey, how's it going? Andy from Project GoPro. Today I'm going to do a test between the audio coming from different microphones on GoPro. Hey, I'm Andy, filmmaker and author of Project GoPro, my GoPro video making school where I help people make better videos with action cameras like GoPro. So let's get back to the video, and this test that I want to perform, as I mentioned before, is between the audio, the built-in microphone that the GoPro Hero 8 has got inside, and the microphones of the media mod and an external microphone by Rode. This is the Video Micro Pro Rode microphone, which I will connect to the GoPro through either the media mod or through this audio adapter that you need to connect external microphone to GoPros, and run a little test. I will record audio coming from these different microphones, and then I will let you hear it, and then you'll decide which one you prefer in case you're looking for, to improve the audio of your GoPro and you're looking to buy, an external microphone or the media mod. Let's get into it. All right, the first test we're gonna do is a test with audio coming from the built-in microphone inside the GoPro Hero 8. So I haven't attached any other microphone to my GoPro Hero 8. I'm just going to press the record button with the default audio settings, and see what, the audio quality of these microphones. Just to show you that, I don't know if we can focus. Let's see, yes. So let me show you. I'm going to Pro Tune, and raw audio would be off, like so, and also wind, it's on off. The option wind in Pro Tune, it's on off. This basically captures audio with wind reduction off, and it should have a better audio quality if you don't put any wind reduction. Here I'm in a closed environment, so like I'm indoors and there is no wind, so this is the right setting to do this test. Let's have a look. All right, I'm positioning the GoPro in front of me as if I'm vlogging, and this is the audio that comes out from the GoPro Hero 8 with its internal built-in microphones. All of the audio settings are set up as per default, so this is the audio result. 1, 2, 3, check, check, 1, 2, 3, check, 1, 2, 3, check. Now we are going to compare it with the audio coming from the media mod. I'm going to insert the GoPro into the media mod, close it up, it's connecting. I just want to show you how it looks in case you don't have one and you're looking to buy one. This is the media mod. It has different microphone built in here, and the front one is also a directional microphone, so it should pick up only my voice and should be a higher quality audio. So the settings were as before, so the raw audio is off, and now I can select which mics I want to activate. I'm going to only select the front mic because I'm going to vlog. I'm going to test this mic in front, so I think it's better to choose to activate just the front mic and not all of them. At least you can see the difference between the media mod and the GoPro itself. So 1, 2, 3, check, 1, 2, 3, check. This is a test, audio test with GoPro Hero 8 and the media mod using just the front microphone. 1, 2, 3, check, 1, 2, 3, check. All right, so now let's do the last test. Will be using this microphone. That is a Rode Micro with a dead cat on it. So to connect this to the GoPro, I would just need to plug this into the media mod, and it will automatically disable this microphone and activate this microphone coming from this audio port. The audio settings were like before, so just confirming that raw audio is off, as you can see, and also wind, it's disabled, it's off, mics, it's disabled because it's taking the audio coming from this microphone. So I'm going to start the recording. I'm actually going to use, it's too complicated. Anyway, you can also get yourself this one in case you decide to, use an external microphone with your GoPro. You can attach this simply on top of it and vlog with it using like external microphone, which will give you a higher audio quality, and it would be like this. Now I'm not going to put it in because it will take some time, and let's just test the audio quality. So all right, I'm going to record. Okay, it's recording by using this microphone. So 1 2 3 check, 1 2 3 check. This is the external microphone connected to GoPro through the media mode. 1 2 3 check. It should be the same, the audio quality should be the same when I use the audio adapter, to connect the mic to the GoPro instead of the media mode, because this is just an adapter which converts the audio signal into a different signal. So now the purpose of this test is just to check the quality of audios coming from different microphones. So this is the external one. 1 2 3 check. Audio is complete. All right, so we completed our test. We tested different microphones. So now I'll pass the ball to you and you let me know which one you preferred. Let me know down in the comments below which microphone do you think was the best one in terms of audio quality. Remember that these external microphones are particularly useful if you are a vlogger or if you need to document like your adventures by using your GoPro. So these microphones are, offer a better quality than the built-in microphone of the GoPro. Microphones from the GoPro itself, are known to be like not so great by the GoPro community. So that's why I always suggest people and also my community to use an external microphone when you're serious about making videos, when you say you have to interview somebody or you're shooting a vlog and you need those extra audio quality. You can find even lavalier microphones like the one that I've got here attached to my shirt, pretty cheap on Amazon. You can find the links down in the description, and the only thing is that you need a converter, an adapter, to be able to connect any external microphone to the GoPro. But apart from that, this is a great setup to improve the audio quality. So I hope this video was useful for you. Let me know which microphone do you prefer, which microphone you think performed the best. And if you like the video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And I guess I'll see you soon. Ciao.